What are operators in programming?
Operators are special symbols or words in programming languages that tell the computer to perform specific operations. They are the building blocks for calculations, comparisons, and more. By using operators, you can add numbers, compare values, and assign results, making them essential for writing effective, functional code.
Arithmetic operators, doing the math.
Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical tasks like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, the plus sign, plus, adds two numbers together, while the minus sign, minus, subtracts them. Other arithmetic operators include asterisk, plus, for multiplication, and slash, dot, for division.
Comparison operators checking values.
Comparison operators help programmers compare values. Common examples are double equals, to check if two values are equal, or not equals, to check if they're different. Greater than, less than, and their variations let you see how values relate. These operators are crucial for decision-making in code.
Logical operators, combining conditions.
Logical operators like and, or, and not allow you to combine multiple conditions. For instance, you might check if two things are true at once, or if at least one condition is true. Logical operators are key to building complex checks and controlling how your program responds to different situations.
Assignment operators, storing results.
Assignment operators, such as the simple equals sign, equals, store calculated values in variables. Combined operators like plus equals, add a value and assign the result in one step. Assignment operators make it possible to keep and update the results of your calculations as your code runs.
Why operators matter in programming.
Operators make programming practical by letting you perform calculations, compare data, and manage how information flows through your code. By mastering the basics of operators, you unlock a world of problem-solving possibilities and can start building programs that react, calculate, and make decisions automatically.